Sick of neck cramps and wobbly stands? Meet LEVO G2. The boss-level tablet throne you deserve. Ever tried binge-watching in bed with a tablet balanced on your chest? Yeah, welcome to Cramp City. You're propped up on pillows, arms numb, neck screaming, tablet wobbling like a drunk flamingo. Whether you're reading, zooming, typing, or streaming, traditional stands just don't cut it. They're short, shaky, and demand awkward angles like it's some yoga challenge. Productivity? Destroyed. Comfort? Non-existent. You're stuck in a war with gravity, and spoiler alert, gravity always wins. When downtime becomes a literal pain in the neck, you know something's gotta give. Why wrestle your tech when it should be working for you? And let's be real, this is more than just annoying. It's a full-blown vibe killer. You're juggling meetings, deadlines, and digital burnout, and all your tools are betraying you. Your Met tablet stand bounces like a trampoline every time you type. Your neck's locked tighter than Fort Knox. Meanwhile, your overpriced tablet teeters on the brink of a tragic faceplant. You deserve tech support that actually supports. Not gear that has you constantly adjusting, rebalancing, and muttering PG-13 words under your breath. Wasted time. Wasted money. And if one more thing tips over, you might, too. Introducing the LEVO G2 Deluxe, the Rolls-Royce of tablet floor stands, minus the Rolls-Royce price tag. This mobile marvel doesn't just hold your tablet, it cradles it like royalty. With 5-axis articulation, height adjustability from 30 inches to 56 inches, and a quick-release platform, it's your personal butler for any device from iPad Pro to Kindle Oasis. Sleek gunmetal finish? Check. Patented swing arm? Check. Bounce-free, tip-proof design that glides across carpet like a hoverboard? Big check. Whether you're chilling, reading, typing, or presenting, LEVO G2 puts your screen exactly where you want it, then remembers it for later. Genius. Forget fussing with pillows, boxes, or janky tripods, this stand just works. Need to switch from landscape to portrait? Done in a flick. Want to move it to the next room? Those smooth rolling 2-inch wheels glide like butter. Tired of bouncing while typing? LEVO says, not today stress. Use it sitting, standing, or flat out reclining, your posture, your productivity, and your sanity will thank you. It even moonlights as a bookstand if you grab the optional platform. Now that's multitasking magic. LEVO G2 isn't just a stand, it's an upgrade to your whole digital life. Let comfort and focus finally tag in. So why suffer one more stiff-necked second? Say goodbye to tech tantrums and hello to the LEVO lifestyle. With a sleek pro look, bulletproof engineering, and universal compatibility, it's got your back, and your arms and neck too. Thousands trust LEVO to elevate their screen game, now it's your turn. Whether you're a remote warrior, weekend Netflixer, or late-night reader, this is your must-have sidekick. Stock doesn't last, snag yours before it rolls off, literally. Ready to recline like a boss? Click Add to Cart and give your device the throne it deserves.